To set password for application on the Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening settings, and now you will have to navigate into security and privacy. Then start scrolling and go for app lock. Right now wait for the loading screen, then click on that switcher to turn it on. You will have to set a privacy password first, so click on the settings, and here you can set this password, but you also can use a different password type. I'm gonna go with this pattern, so input the password 2 times. Additionally, you can set up the security question. You can also change that question or even set the custom one. And here you can even add the recovery email if you want. Then click confirm in the right upper corner. And now let's look, for example, Google Chrome. And now take a look if I try to open it. As you can see, I will have to input the password.